My name's Karen Holford. I'm currently the Deputy Vice-Chancellor at Cardiff University. Within the School of Engineering at Cardiff University, we've always had a commitment to equality, diversity and inclusion. I think one of the most important things is to recognise that different people need different support. Particularly for women academics and young female researchers, it's quite hard to make contact. Sometimes it's quite hard to have the network of people who can help you. So schemes like mentoring and helping people with applications is really important. So one of the main things I did was set up a network of supporters who could help young female engineers in applying for funding and so on. My journey from when I started as an 18-year-old who was passionate about cars and bikes and all things mechanical, well, that hasn't really changed much. But I guess I've gone from being somebody who does to somebody who tries to lead. Reflecting on things recently, my biggest barriers have been my own lack of confidence and my own lack of faith in what I can do. And I'm just really happy that I've done what I've done, and I've really enjoyed my career. And I guess now, as I'm moving to the role of Vice-Chancellor at a university, I'm really chuffed that I've got that far and that I've been able to make a difference.
My name's Viv Buckley and I'm the Deputy Principal at Bridgend College. In order to improve equality and diversity, I think we've worked really hard at the college as a collective to make sure that we really are living the values that we embrace as a college. In our strapline, which is be all that you can be, I think we truly are an organisation that encourage people to live up to that value. As a leader at Bridgend College, I think I exemplify the values. I really believe in the values that we've got here and I really love the culture. I'm so lucky to work as part of it. The ability to actually help people and facilitate them moving forward is something that I have a genuine passion for. The Aspire programme is a programme that we put in place to make sure that in the first instance, female students of ours actually were able to be surrounded by female role models, to talk to them about leadership and to talk to them about how they actually, as young women, could be looking forward and aspiring to maybe jobs they had never thought of before. That's since developed, and we've actually started working with members of our staff. And I know certainly I found it really empowering to see women in roles, and then that's made me think, oh, actually, maybe I can do that too. And it's lovely to think that perhaps I'm now in a position where I'm able to do that for other people.
Fenyw ydy Dr Gwenllian Lansdowne Davies a dwi'n brif weithredwr Mudiad Meithrin ers 2014. Mae Mudiad Meithrin yn elusen gafodd ei sefydlu yn 1971 mwyn rhoi llais i gylchoedd meithrin a darpariaethau gofal ac addysg gynnar cyfrwng Cymraeg. A pan des i fewn i'r swydd, o'n i'n darganfod mudiad oedd mewn lle cry, mewn lle da iawn, ac o'n i yn awyddus i arloesi ac i fynd â'n gwaith ni i gymunedau a phobl amrywiol. I ni ofyn cwestiynau ni'n hunain ynglyn â, wel, sut oedden ni'n gweithredu agenda gwrthhiliaeth? Beth oedden ni'n gwneud ac oedd yr hyn oedden ni'n gwneud yn ddigonol? Da ni hefyd yn sefydliad sydd yn cyflogi dros 95% o fenywod yn y mudiad ac yn wir mewn cylchoedd meithrin. Dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n bwysig bod pwy bynnag sydd yn rôl y prif weithredwr yn barod i fod yn eitha beiggar ac yn barod i gymryd risgs, ond i mi mae pawb yn arweinydd. A mae yna foddhad mawr o fod yn gweld cynlluniau da chi wedi ystyried i creu yn eich pen yn cael ei gwireddu, a mae hynny yn deimlad ffantastig.
My name is Alia Mohammed and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Race Equality First. Race Equality First is a charity and we support victims of racism and discrimination and hate crime, and we deliver projects to promote equality. When I came on board, there were 5 Asian men who had more or less been at the helm of the charity. Within that first year, things changed significantly. We introduced at that time an application process for our board, so it really opened the door to a very, very diverse pool of board members and volunteers that came on board into our organisation. I feel very passionate about racial equality, especially because I'm an ethnic minority myself. I feel that I don't want my own grandchildren to suffer from the same racism that I suffered from as growing up as a child in the UK. I hope that I've supported and empowered other people who are victims of discrimination, who are victims of hate crime. I hope that we've bettered their lives. I hope that we've made strides in terms of equality in general, but especially racial equality in the UK. And I hope I've been nominated because I've empowered and supported other women to achieve success and to become leaders themselves.